Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the compression shirt closely, where elasticity fails, where seams split, and any fabric thinning. Once identified, turn the shirt inside out and lay it flat on a clean surface so you can work precisely. Make small washable marks around problem zones so you don't miss them. Prepare tools now: stretch thread to match elasticity, a ballpoint needle for knit, fabric glue for small holes, and position good lighting. This setup speeds the repair and prevents further damage. You'll stitch seams and tiers next because structure restores compression. Use a zigzag or stretch stitch, either machine or hand, so the seam moves with the fabric. Keep thread tension low to avoid puckering. For small holes, lift edges and apply a thin layer of fabric glue, then press gently. Once tacky, secure with tiny zigzag stitches. If stress points recur, sew in a narrow strip of stretch fabric on the inside to distribute load. Make sure seams align to preserve fit and compression. You're almost done. Finish carefully. Trim stray threads, flatten seams, and heat-set fabric glue according to instructions. Then let the shirt cure for about 24 hours so adhesives bond. Once cured, test fit by moving, squatting, and stretching the shirt to confirm compression returns. Then run a gentle wash cycle to ensure durability. If sagging or seam failure returns, replace the elastic band or consult a tailor for a panel rebuild. This prevents repeated fixes and restores intended compression performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.